Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2013 Kawasaki VULCAN 900 Custom. This bike has a little over 2,000 miles and is offered for $52.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great looking motorcycle with super low miles. Also has a nice passenger backrest on the back and this cool Bluetooth stereo system. You'll see the speakers are up on the handlebars and there's a little bag down below here that has all the radio equipment in it, and you can sync your iPhone or your Android phone via Bluetooth and listen to the music wirelessly. It's a really cool setup. Again, this bike only has a little over 2,000 miles. It's been gone through by our service department, been given a clean bill of health, an oil change, safety check, and it's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.